Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to factor binomials using the difference of squares. I have two examples here. One has a greatest common factor and the other one doesn't. So let's go ahead and start with our first problem. In our first problem, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to make sure it's a difference. That's why it's called difference of squares. Difference means subtraction. So we have subtraction. The second thing you're going to make sure of is you can take the square root of each number. For example, can I take the square root of 9 and x squared? Yeah. Can I take the square root of 25 and y squared? I can. So that means we can just go ahead and square root both of those and write our answer. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x squared is just x. Then you bring a minus down. The square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of y squared is y. And then all you have to do is write that same parenthesis again with a plus sign. And that's factored for you. Pretty easy, right? So let's look at our second one. So let's check. Is it a difference? Yeah, it has a subtraction sign. If it doesn't have a subtraction sign, it probably cannot be factored using this method. So now I'm going to see if I can take the square root. Oh, I can't take the square root of 3. So that means there's a greatest common factor, or it can't be factored using this method. So let's see. Is there a number I can divide 3 and 27 by? There is. I can divide both by 3. So I'm going to take out a 3, taking out the greatest common factor. So let's divide. All right, 3x squared divided by 3 is just 1x squared. I'm just going to write x squared because 1x squared is the same as x squared. Minus 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now let's take the square root of what's inside the parentheses. So I'm just going to bring my 3 down to the front. The greatest common factor you take out, it just kind of drags along with you. So the square root of x squared is x. Bring down the minus sign. The square root of 9 is 3. And then write that same parenthesis with a plus sign. And there is your final answer. I hope this helps. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and want more. Thanks.